Yo guys, what's going on? Thank you for checking out the video. The first thing you're probably thinking right now is, why is this video starting in the kitchen? Why is the bike in the kitchen? Well, I'll tell you the same thing I tell my girlfriend. Don't worry about it. Next up, you're probably wondering, why are the red plastics on? Is this an old video? It's not. I put the stock red plastics back on. Lastly, you're probably thinking, why is your 12 bar so far out? Well, today, with the new plastics on, we're going to go out and see if we can maybe scrape this. I don't know, no promises. This will be an attempt at this. Maybe use it for some stand-up circles, and maybe try a hand drag again. So, let's go. Okay, so we're going to go to a spot that I went to my last video. I think it's just an open area, so there shouldn't be anyone around. We can set up a tripod, try some scrapes potentially, some hand drags, we'll see. Woo! Yeah, I put these stock plastics back on because last video, the CRF50 ones were literally falling off. Now, they're not direct fit, but you can kind of MacGyver it to make it work, but I didn't MacGyver it very well, and they just didn't fit super well. And this whole seat and plastics is one unit, so when it's flimsy, the whole seat feels flimsy and moves around, so this now feels super solid, so I'm liking it. Slow it down on the knee knock. Warm up with a throttle one-hander. Brakes aren't feeling great, I'll tell you that. All right, here we go. Yeah, hand drag is gonna be hard now. Let's get some circles in. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to scrape this thing. All right, camera set up. Let's see if we can scrape this thing or get a hand drag or something. We just need progress, man. All right, it's been a little bit, Oh, I'm actually not that far off. Whew. Oh, that felt pretty close. I'll get some circles on the DJI for us. Let's go, hand drag. We touched the ground there, let's go. Yeah, I'd kind of prefer to get hand drags back before I try and scrape. Also, because I'm scared to scrape this thing and bend the frame. Oh, keep your foot on you, baby. All right, we rode it out. We didn't keep the wheel up, but we still rode it out. We didn't take our feet off, so that's a win right there. Oh, it's hard, man. Oh my gosh, guys, yeah, I think these stock plastics look so much better. They fit so much better, and like I said, they're more rigid on the bike because it's one unit, so they're not flimsy anymore. So I'm glad I put them back on. Plus, it's kind of like my shtick. Oh yeah, here's a sticker that I put on, and I'm going to start selling those. I got a couple more designs coming out, so stay tuned for that. Oh my god, my pads, dude. Oh my god, there's nothing. But we'll still keep trying. Maybe you guys will get a nice crash out of me today for that. Wonder if this guy's calling security on me. Oh my god, my brakes might be giving out on me. There we go, got that. Little toe tap at the end, but still got it. All right, that was one. You jinxed me, bro. Yeah, it's a little 12 bar. Huh?
What do you ride, 250s or you just...
I used to ride 250s, but now I just got this electric John, and yeah, dude, the cops don't care about it, so it's silent, you know.
Not myself, but I'm like, dude, rules is changing.
Yeah.
Everybody complains about rules.
Well, it's also like you can have fun and like, you know, around, do wheelies, whatever, but like there's a difference between like actively getting in people's way and like being a menace and just riding, you know. Shout out to that guy, pretty cool dude. Security didn't kick me out, he just said what's up. Woo. Oh my god. All right. I think we got to stop doing this because my pads are non-existent right now. Oh, that thing moves, I guess. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to stop doing this now because I have no pads left, but that's pretty good progress on this. you know, haven't really practiced hand drags in ages, so good to know I can still do them. We'll work on getting them a lot more consistent though, so we can keep the front wheel up too, but we still got hand drags in the works. In the bag. Well, not in the bag, not in the works, not in the bag. We still got them in the arsenal. They're just like an underpowered weapon right now. For shits and giggles, let's see how far back we can get with this 12. Not too far. This guy's recording me. Hey, check me out on YouTube, Connor G. I don't think they speak English. Oh, we got knee knocker circles now, I guess. I never even tried these. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that practice sesh. That might be all the video is, because I got to go home, get ready, because we're going out tonight, baby. I'm just so happy with how brake one-handers have been improving. It's crazy how good you could get when you ride consistently. I've been so inconsistent over the past couple of weeks. But we'll get our hand drags back to being consistent too. And you know what? Why not send it up through the parking garage? You heard? Easy enough. Hope I don't hit my head on a knee knock here. Feels like I'm gonna. Oh my god. Here, let's take the elevator up. Oh, ready for me. Top museum. See guys, this is how you save on charge. Going up that high altitude of this parking garage, you just take the elevator, guys. So much quicker. No elevator music? What is this? Cops are just standing right here. Oh, and we're inside. Thank you. Yoo-hoo. Swerve the sign. Swerve the oncoming traffic. That's sick. Whoa, you said. Policia. Hey. Dude, brake one-handers just feel so good now. Woo! Same with throttle. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel as always. We're almost to 70K, if you would believe that. 70K subs, which is crazy because I had 2K at the start of this year. So appreciate all the support. We got plenty of content to come as always. Woo! Let's cut it in here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time though. Woo! Peace.